Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you top 24 Canva element keywords.
Abstract, backgrounds, flower, gradient, brushstroke, frames, leaf, lines, minimal pattern, photos, speech bubble, stickers, watercolor, bohemian, borders, doodle, florals, geometric background, grainy, hand-drawn, neon border, organic summer, ripped. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.